What is good everyone, it's your boy Redux here, back at it with another tutorial. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to get better ping in Asia servers, specifically in Fortnite. I started making this video because my ping is literally 500. And I'm gonna teach y'all how to fix that, alright? So if we go to the settings over here, you guys will see Asia 515 ms. By the way, I live in the Philippines, so this is not right. Alright, and I'm gonna teach y'all how to get 60 ping or even less in Asia servers. Alright guys, so first of all, you want to close up Fortnite, and then you want to open up a browser and search up Proton VPN. Alright, it should be the first link to pop up. It's already purple because I've used this before, obviously. So here it is. Just open up Proton VPN, the first link, and it should show this. Now what you want to press is get Proton VPN now, and then scroll down. It should say get 2-year deal, 1-year deal. Nah, we're broke. Alright, so we're gonna do get VPN free. Alright, and then if you don't have an account, then it should show this. It's gonna tell you to create a Proton account, so you want to make an account. Alright, I already have an account, so I'm gonna just sign in. Once you finish signing in, it should go here, download Proton VPN. Alright, there it goes. It's gonna start downloading, and I don't know why, but the Proton VPN app takes forever to download. It literally says 6 minutes. Alright, that's kind of weird, but you guys just have to bear with me here, so just be patient. It's normal for it to be extremely slow. Alright y'all, so after about a century, it should finish downloading. Alright, so you just want to open it up, and then it should show this. Alright, so you just want to click next, and then you probably just need to
wait till you see the no.
And then you just want to click install. Alright, and here we go. Just press finish, and then open up the app. Once it opens up, it should show this. Since you're in Asia, you're gonna go to Japan because that's the nearest location, and then you want to drag this down. As of now, there's about 4 servers, but it changes every now and then. Sometimes there's even 8, sometimes there's 12, but as of now there's 4. And then you want to see the one that has the lowest load. You guys can see here, some of them has 100% load, some of them has 96% load, and some of them has 84% load. You want the lowest load, so we're gonna click the one that has 84% load, which is right now JP Free number 2. You guys can see here there are some paid servers and they have really awesome loads, so this should be pretty good, but I don't really recommend it because I mean we're all broke here, right? Anyway, press connect, and then it should say connected. Here we go. Now you can close Proton VPN and open up your Fortnite. Once it opens up, go ahead and check the settings. Let's just see how it improved, and there we go, 49 ms, 49 ping. Look at how much that improved our ping just because of Proton VPN and changing our location. And there we have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you out, please like or subscribe, whatever you want. And feel free to leave a comment down below if you want any suggestions or tutorials or edits or literally anything. If you guys want to leave a comment down below, then leave a comment down below. You feel me? Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and happy gaming.